Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Subscribe and notify. This week we are going to see the language C#. So before getting into the language and its features, please kindly subscribe our channel. If you like our informations provided in our videos, please kindly like the videos too. If you want to share any comments or feedbacks regarding our videos, please kindly share your feedbacks on the content section of the video. Now let's dive into the program. So this is just a recap of the previous weeks. On first episode we gone through the high demand languages of 2021. In the episode 2 of Tuesday Technologies, we learned some of the features of Python and the packages that can be used for the real-time applications. Currently we are in episode 3. Now we are going to see about the features of C#. Similar to Python, C# is also a high-level language which is very simple to use. As like a Python, C# is also a object-oriented programming. So why I am comparing then and there the Python and C# means actually it will be easy for you to recall the Python features, and then it will be useful for you when you implementing the language. C# is developed by Microsoft. C# supports wide range of Windows applications such as Windows services, GUI applications, and the web application too. It is a free to use language. Because of its fastness, it is widely preferred in development of gaming applications. As all of us know, the C# is developed by Microsoft in the year of 2000. It is gradually evaluated as 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Now the current version of C# is 9.0, which is launched in last September 2020. Now we can see some of the IDs which are open source as well for C# language. Among that, the most preferred ID for the C# is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Then later on it comes with the ID called Microsoft Visual Studio. Then some other IDs are Sharp Develop, CodeMate, Mono Develop, and Rex Tester. Apart from this listed IDs over here, there are some other IDs also available in the market. Here I listed out the open source IDs which can be usable for developing the applications using C#. Among these IDs, I want to specify the ID Microsoft Visual Studio, so which comes with the 3 versions. One is a free version, another one is a professional version, then another one is a enterprise edition. Among these IDs, I want to specify one of the ID is Mono Develop. The Mono Develop is a cross-platform ID which can support Windows, Linux, and Mac as well. Then Rex Tester is different from all these IDs. It is an online compiler which can support variety of languages. The details of Rex Tester we will see in later of this program. Next we are going to see the real-time applications that can be developed using C#. Here some of the listed real-time applications I presented for you. The web application. The web application comes with the ASP.NET, which is a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and C#. Then next is a gaming application, which is the widely preferred application which can be developed using C# because of its fastness. C# also supports machine learning too. It also supports Windows based applications such as desktop GUIs, Windows services, command line applications. C# also provides connectivity for a wide range of databases like MySQL, Postgres, MongoDB, InfluxDB, and so on. Then if you're looking into networking, it supports a wide range of network protocols, and also it supports security too. It supports wide range of encryption decryption algorithms, then it by default it supports with the TLS 1.2 security. For all these applications, the widely used packages is called NuGet packages. So depends upon the real-time application the programmer need. The NuGet packages available for the respective applications, which is a freeware and licensed one also. The NuGet packages can be downloaded from the respective site, or user can visit the Visual Studio Market website for downloading the Visual Studio extensions. Now we are at the end of our program. Tuesday tips. Today's Tuesday tips we are going to see an online compiler which will be useful for the beginners, where they can execute their startup programs without logging into the website. It is a open source and it is a free as well. Usually the online compilers will require your login credentials, but the beauty of RxTester online compiler is you need not to log into the website. You can directly make use of the available languages from the listed items. So it will be helpful for the beginners for learning their preferred languages without sharing their credentials to the website. So you can also try this RxTester online compiler that we shared as a Tuesday tips, and then share your experience in the comment section. Thank you friends. Next week we'll meet it. Thank you friends. Next week we'll meet it in the Tuesday technology program with another language and its future. Subscribe our channel. If you like our information shared in this program, share with your friends. If you have concern about our program, share your comments below. Thank you all. Bye.